OpenX Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to OpenX are in the description. OpenX is a leading programmatic advertising exchange and SSP, supply-side platform, built for publishers, app developers, and media companies looking to maximize ad revenue. As one of the pioneers in real-time bidding, RTB, and programmatic advertising, OpenX offers a highly scalable, cloud-based platform that connects premium publishers with top-tier advertisers. One of OpenX's standout features is its AI-driven auction technology, which ensures publishers get higher eCPMs and better fill rates by matching inventory with the highest bidding advertisers. The server-to-server header bidding integration reduces latency and improves efficiency, allowing for faster ad delivery and higher ad viewability. Publishers benefit from granular control over inventory with brand safety tools, ad quality filters, and pricing controls to optimize revenue without compromising user experience. For advertisers and demand partners, OpenX provides access to high-quality inventory across premium publishers, CTV, mobile apps, and web environments. The fraud detection and verification tools ensure advertisers only pay for genuine, high-quality impressions, making OpenX one of the most trusted ad exchanges in the industry. With built-in GDPR, CCPA, and other regulatory compliance, OpenX prioritizes privacy-first advertising solutions, ensuring a secure and transparent marketplace. The platform's real-time analytics dashboard provides detailed insights into performance metrics, revenue trends, and audience engagement, helping publishers make data-driven decisions. The dynamic floor pricing and yield optimization tools further boost revenue by automatically adjusting pricing based on demand. OpenX also emphasizes sustainability, being the first carbon-neutral ad exchange, which is an attractive feature for brands looking for eco-conscious advertising solutions. Additionally, its cloud-based infrastructure enables high-speed transactions, making it a preferred choice for large-scale publishers and enterprise media networks. Overall, OpenX is a highly efficient, transparent, and premium ad exchange platform that offers top-tier monetization solutions for publishers and high-quality inventory for advertisers. If you're looking for a scalable and data-driven SSP with premium demand and advanced monetization tools, OpenX is a strong option. Check the links in the description for more details.